need to deal with the table, but table view. So I start part 2 of the video right now, and so in this I just say my table view dot delegate equal self, and my table view dot data source equal self as well. Also, I come to my view controller here, and I just say I want to conform this to UI table view delegates and UI table view data source. Right now it will ask me, okay, if you want this, you need to have these 2 functions. Okay, no problem. Actually, 1 function is mandatory. I'm gonna pick it up from here and move it down here. So yeah, table view. So in table view, but before that I want to add the number of sections. So I just say number of sections will be 1, and also yeah, let me continue this one as well. So here I just say if let shops wrapped equal shops for me return shop wrapped dot count. Other than that, return 0. Yeah, I'm actually, that's why I say I just looking for number of rows. So I just say number of rows, so this will sit here. That's why it's tell me that you cannot return integer. This one gonna return integer, this one gonna return my cell. So I will just say let's cell equal self dot table view dot DQ refusable cell with identifier. Okay, identifier, if you remember, I name it cell in my storyboard here, if you remember, we name it cell, so we use that here. And for index paths, yeah, so index path for this. And then here I just say if let shops wrapped equal shops. So if you have any shops, then I will say cell dot text label dot text equal shops wrapped array, actually with index path row and name. Okay, and at the end we're gonna say okay, return cell. Okay, so this will be good. And what else we need? We need to editing. So I want to give feature for deleting as well. So editing, let me see what I should say. I just say table view okay, how can I call this editing style? Let me try edit editing style. Yeah, I was looking for this. And so here I just say if editing style was equal dot delete what I want to do. I want to say again if shops wrapped with index path dot row, if this guy, oh sorry, if let shop wraps equal shops. If you could do it, then I'm gonna say let shop equal internal shop variable equal try realm right realm dot delete my shop. Okay, and here I have it, and even without this it's okay. Okay, and then here I just say table view dot delete rows at index path with dot fate. And for else what? Else here we can create a new instance of the appropriate class, and here so I just say if else if editing style was dot insert, then I'll go for that. So I just write this that for you to give you idea that you can do it. So editing style, wow, sorry, I think I choose the wrong function, so I need to again look for this editing style dot choose the wrong function here, so I need to look for the correct one. UI table view cell, UI table view cell dot, it's not helping to me, so I have to change this signature myself. So I just say a table view, UI table view, and then here I just say commit editing style and UI table view cell dot editing style, and then for row at index path, index paths. Yeah, should be like this. Maybe it's changed. Yeah, this You know what, let me comment this for now. I'm not gonna add remove, but we can fix this later. You can find the fix in the source that I share, because I want to keep this short. So yeah, I think we're done with the code, and we have that enabled. So I think now we can test it out. I don't see anything else. Oh yeah, I need to write my say add action. So if let's add text value equals self dot add text dot text. So if I pick it from my text, that's outlet view, outlets I connected here. So I just say my shop equal shop model, and then I give it value. So I just say yes, shop dot name equal add text value, and then I try to realm right, and inside there I just say realm dot add dot shop. I don't want this. Okay, and when I did this try, I just say self dot add text dot text equal empty. So I'm gonna empty it, and just I'm gonna say table view dot reload data. And what else I need? I write a function for fetch data. So I just say func name fetch data, no parameter, no return, and here I just say shops equal raw dot objects shop dot self sorted by keypad ID. And so table view dot reload data. Okay, I think hopefully we're done. One more thing, I'll come up and in my view did load here, I just say main actor and view will appear. So I just say super view will appear animated, and for task await initial ROM that I made, I call it here, and fetch data. Here we go. So yeah, let's try this and see what's happened. So iPhone 14, let me see. For the other app, I make sure I stop it, and I'll come to this one. I believe 2 was the one that we are making now. Yeah, so I'm gonna run it. I have two. I think I can close this one, iPhone 4. Like now we are at iPhone. This one going to iPhone 14 Pro. So yeah, it's this one will sitting here. So yeah, it's gonna build it. I'll go until now. I'll go here and want to introduce you in last part. I'm gonna introduce you here in app services. That's here we have, we just start the sync, and anonymous user just, I believe, try to authenticate. Let's see. Yes, and we have this. So what I'm gonna do, I just say test01 add. Here we go, sitting here, and I want to show you in here, just my transaction will came here, and yeah, I had one right here. I can see detail of this, right? But the beautiful part here, I go to my data services, and in data services, in my cluster, I'm going to browse my collections. I know that I made a database named it's not showing here yet. It will come up, take time. So I'll go back here. Not this one. Where was that? I lost. This one, where is it? I'm sorry, I lost it. It was here, yeah. No. Do I close it? I don't think so. Yeah, here you go. It was third tab. Okay, so yeah, let me go back to app services, and any action I do come here. Yeah, I add test02 and test03, and you will have all of those here. We will have data that this has been added, this has been added, and also in data services we should have it here soon. Yeah, here you go, app shops, and I have here. Even I can do change here, and it will come up and sitting here. Even I can run this in other device, and any change I'll do will go there. So yeah, that's it. We're done with this in 3 part of video. And just if you have any question, any correction you want to me do here, or any issue, and any request you have, please make sure to share it with me. Any feedback, I'll be more than happy to take care of that, and create any other video you need. Have a good one.